I got all the solenoids back in and all of them pressed on and all that good stuff with the pins back in. Put the hold down clips back on there. Those right there only torque to 8 foot-pounds, so don't go crazy on the torque. Now we're taking this piece right here on. This is on the bottom. We're taking it off, not on, but taking it off. This is on the bottom. These right here, they torque to 13 foot-pounds. And I've already got them all loose. That's what we're gonna have to drill out this valve body. Well, not the valve body, but separator plate. Just be careful. All right. Set y'all up real quick, because I know there's probably some springs and stuff in here. This one don't want to come out right. I think that one goes all the way through it. There, we got that up. Now I'm going to flip it over. Here is your plate, and we're going to be drilling some holes out on this right here. We'll have to take this piece off, and then we're going to have to take it out from the middle also. So I'm going to do this one first, and on the paper it shows us, flip it this way like that. So this little hole, and then this little hole. I don't know if y'all can see that. So there's a little hole right there. Then there's a little hole right there. We'll have to drill it out with the second largest drill bit. Here they are right here. This is our B one. This is C. If you look at them, you can tell the difference. C is the, that is A. The smallest is A, second smallest is B, and the largest, hold on, getting it backwards. So, the largest is C, second largest is B, smallest is A. Sorry. Tongue-tied today. I'm reading it all backwards. You think it would be the other way around, but so this right here is B. We're going to drill out this hole and this hole. So let me go get a drill real quick, and then we'll drill that out. Got them drilled out, and what I had to do, because this drill bit is so small, put some paper towel around the drill bit right there, and then you will get enough bite to drill through this. It don't take much. And then after I did that, I took the larger drill bit right here and just went over it and just kind of deburred it on both sides. Also, don't forget, there is a check ball right there. Forgot to tell y'all that. Okay, next what we're going to do is take this separator plate out. It's on this little more rectangular portion. So like the trapezoid looking piece, and it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts that hold that on. And then when we do that, we're going to, where the cutout is on the bottom, there's a little hole right there. You're going to drill that to the A. That's going to be the smallest hole that you're going to drill. And then after you take that one off, you're going to take these tins off and pull this piece off, so we can drill out the main separator plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these and this one off all at once, and then whenever I get ready to pull this up, I'll bring y'all back and show y'all pulling this off, because I cannot remember if there's any check balls in here or here. but just be careful, because there is a couple different styles of this valve body too, but it all does the same thing. Alright, when you take this off, I know I didn't show you all, sorry about that, but when you take this off, be careful right here. There's like a little spring-loaded little clip that goes in there. Mine fell off and I've been looking for it and I cannot find it for the life of me. So I have to find that, but it does go in this little hole right here. Other than that, there are no check balls or anything. I forgot to tell you that the paperwork does show you where everything is located. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drill out this one hole, and then I'll find that one here in a minute, that little piece. Where are you? Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually drill out that tiny little hole right there with A. Okay, I flipped the valve body back over, and you're going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, or actually maybe 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's only 4, sorry. I always forget that's holding in the temperature sensor. But you're going to take out these 4 right here, then we're going to flip it back over, and you're going to take out, I forgot how many are on the back, but I have 1 left in. Hold on, I'll show it to you. So here's the back. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. Be careful, because there are some springs and stuff in here. And all of these are short, like right there. So I'll set y'all up. I did drill out the other piece, and I did find my little spring piece also. That's it right there. See how tiny that is? I'm going to lift this up with the valve body, and then we'll flip it over. There's another one of these little springs right here, and there's a couple little spring-loaded valves in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come in if there was 5 or 6 on this one. We'll just make sure nothing's stuck to this like it did on the other one, because you have a lot of these little springs in here. And there's a couple check balls in here as well. Alright, let's consult the paper. And okay, so you want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to have 9 holes you have to drill out. You're going to have, I know you probably can't see this, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes are the B, 1, 2 are the A, and then 1 C. So you got 2 of the smallest, 6 of the middle size, and then 1 of the largest. So I'm looking at it this way. It's going to be that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one are your B's, and then that one. Then your A hole is going to be A hole right there, and then that hole. Then your C is actually going to be that hole. I think. Hold on. Is it that one? Actually, C is that one. Okay. So, just follow the instructions. I know it's hard to go off of this, but we're just going to drill out the holes that it specifies and to the right size. Just look twice, drill once. Just like it says right here. Look twice, drill once. Alright, we're reassembling it now. And I got this on with these bolts on this side on. Everything torques to 13 foot-pounds. So basically I'm just reinstalling everything and just making sure that everything is torqued down. Like I said, make sure you don't forget any check balls, any of your little filters, any of the little springs, plungers, any of that stuff. So just be careful and make sure everything is super clean also, because transmissions do not like anything dirty. But I'm gonna clean this off already once, but I'm gonna go back over it again just to be safe. But I'm putting everything back on and everything is 13 foot-pounds. Alright, we got everything torqued on and put on except for this one. I about forgot to do this. So you want to take this one out right here, this little valve. You have to get like a little tiny screwdriver, like a little pocket one, pry up and pull this out. And then you're going to install your new piston right here. It shows you where it's at. You're going to reuse that inner piece and the spring, but you're going to put in that little valve and that new bushing right there. And that's all you're going to do. Let me set y'all up and see if I can show y'all how we do this. Just remember, this is the one with the check ball in it. So pretty much just going to pull back. Oh, I'm about to pull this out with just a magnet. Actually, I don't even need to put that back. Yep, come right out with a magnet. You're going to reuse this as well. That's your old one, and my spring is still in there, which is what I'm wanting. Then you're going to put this one in there. You can see it's got a lot more of a pressure on it. I'm just going to squeeze it. And there we go. That's all we had to do. So that's your old one. And there's like no pressure on that one. And this one right here has a bunch of pressure on it. So there we go. You just want it to sit below the surface of this. Alright, we got it back in, torqued everything down to 13 foot-pounds as it says on the manual. Also, I got all my connectors back in, and except for one, I wanted to let y'all know that in the service thing it says for you to grind that little angle off the back. I've never done that and never had an issue with it. You can do it if you want, but I really wanted to show y'all. You want to put them in and you're going to push till you hear it snap, and that is the way it should be. I'm trying to get this right here back up. All I gotta do is put in the shifter lever and we'll be done. Shifter lever is right here. Just make sure when you do it, you put this back on and fold the fingers back over. Let me put that on and then I'll bring y'all back and close out the video. Well, we got it back in. Got the fingers folded back down and we got her back where she's supposed to be. So The next video should be of me draining the fluid and all that stuff, showing you how to put it in there and how to do the filter on this. This one right here, I just wanted to show you all the valve body modifications that we're going to do, or it may even be before this one. But like I said, I just wanted to show you how to do that and how to put the valve body kit in there. But if y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And if I did something wrong, let me know. If I did something that might have an easier way of doing things, let me know as well. But y'all remember, torque this tight, and y'all have a great day.